In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your Zendesk password. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zendesk.com and log in to your Zendesk account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, go to the top left and click on Support. From here, you should have access to the Admin Center from the drop-down menu. Next, you would click on your People right here on the left panel, and then click on your account. From here, switch to account, and this is where you can change your password. Simply type in your current password, and then type your new password and confirm your new password as well. After that, simply click on change password. And as easy as that, you have now changed your Zendesk password. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given on the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.